Welcome to our next section, where we'll discuss how ChatGPT can assist us in summarizing various types of content such as text, reviews, articles, and videos. This tool is valuable because it can save us time and simplify complex information for better comprehension. So, what exactly is summarization? Summarization means asking ChatGPT to take lengthy and intricate information and condense it into shorter and simpler versions. Why do we use this technique? The primary reason is to save time and quickly extract the most essential ideas from extensive text and videos. When should you employ this method? Summarization is highly beneficial when you need a brief overview, want to create a shorter version for social media, aim to grasp the main points from a video, or simply desire to read reviews more swiftly. How is it done? We provide ChatGPT with articles, videos, and reviews and request it to generate summaries. Subsequently, we review these summaries to identify the key points and enhance our understanding of the information. Now, let's explore how we can utilize ChatGPT for this purpose. Initially, we specify our request to ChatGPT. For instance, we can ask it to summarize an article from 2022. Since regarding a lengthy article can be time consuming, we copy the entire article and paste it into ChatGPT. Then ChatGPT begins summarizing it. However, it's crucial to verify the accuracy of the summary by comparing it with the original article. As you can observe, it provides us with important points from the article. This is quite remarkable. This method helps us transform extensive and complex content into manageable segments. You can also apply it along with the explain it to a fourth grader approach for a more effective way to comprehend intricate subjects. This method offers numerous advantages and is particularly helpful for simplifying. Now, let's discuss another valuable time-saving technique. Instead of investing a substantial amount of time watching YouTube videos, you can obtain their transcripts and ask ChatGPT to extract the main points. Here is how you can do it. Open the video you intend to watch. Copy the entire transcript by right-clicking and choosing Copy. Navigate to ChatGPT and type summarize this transcript into key points. Paste the transcript and allow ChatGPT to perform its task. Now you'll have a concise list of key points that provide an overview of the video's content. This method can save a substantial amount of time, especially for lengthy videos. Here is another useful application, particularly for business owners and marketers. You can extract customer reviews, both positive and negative, and ask ChatGPT for suggestions on how to enhance your business. Here's the process. Start by visiting the review website. Select a company you wish to assess and read the reviews, paying attention to areas where improvements are suggested. Copy the relevant reviews by selecting and copying the text. Then paste these reviews into ChatGPT and request tips on improvement. By following this approach, you can gain insights into areas where your competitors may have shortcomings, as indicated by real customer feedback. Gather all the text you wish to evaluate and then request ChatGPT to provide a summary and improvement suggestions in comparison to your competitors. For example, you can say, please summarize these reviews and inform me about the most common customer complaints, along with suggestions on how to outperform our competitors. This method enables you to swiftly identify frequent issues raised by customers, such as poor customer service, slow delivery, product quality concerns, problems with refunds, returns, and gift cards. To make the most of this information, you can ask for guidance on how to address these issues effectively. ChatGPT might recommend improving customer service through better training, streamlining the delivery process, maintaining product quality, establishing clear return and refund policies, and implementing a reliable gift card system, among other suggestions. This approach empowers you to learn from customer feedback and make informed decisions to enhance your products and services. In summary, it streamlines the process of summarizing articles, video transcripts, or analyzing company reviews, ultimately saving you valuable time.